Hello kids! Today we are going to learn how to write the entire alphabets from A to Z, step by step. Are you excited? Let's get started. A. Add a slanting line from the top right to the bottom left. Add another slanting line from the top left to bottom right. At last, draw a straight line to complete the letter A. Letter B. Draw a straight line top to bottom. Then begin at the top. Make a big curve to the right. And come back in middle and make a small curve again. And you complete your letter B. Are you excited to learn how to write letter C? Come! Start at the top. Make a big curve to the right, then another curve to the left. And you find your letter C. Wow! You did it! Next letter D. Draw a straight line top to bottom and then curve to the left at the bottom. We got our letter D. Letter E. Start the top, draw a straight line down. Add a horizontal line from left to right on the top. Then again, draw a horizontal line. At last, draw one more horizontal line. And you complete your letter E. Move forward. Letter F. Start at the top. Draw a straight line down. Add a horizontal line from left to right, top of the line. And one more horizontal line in a middle, a little below to the top line. And you complete your letter F. Letter G. Begin at the top. Make a small curve to the right, then a small curve to the left. Continue with a bigger curve to the right and finally a small curve inward at the bottom. You got your letter G. Letter H. Start at the top left. Draw a straight line down. Add a horizontal line across the middle of the straight line. Finish with another straight line down from the middle to the bottom. You got letter H. Moving forward. Letter I. Simple, draw a straight line from top to bottom. Is it so easy now? Yes, it is so easy to draw a eye. Letter J. Add a long straight line downward and then a small curve to the right at the bottom. You get your letter J. Wow, kids! You write 10 letters. Now, moving forward. Letter K. Start with a straight line top to bottom. Then add a diagonal line from top right to the middle. And then draw a diagonal line down to the right. Now letter L. Draw a straight line down and then add a horizontal line from bottom left to right. Yes, you get letter L. Letter M. Start at the top, draw a straight line top to bottom and then draw a slanting line down to the right. Continue by drawing third slanting line down to the right, mirroring the first line. Yes, finish with fourth straight line and you get your letter M. Letter N. Draw a straight line first, then start slanting line from the top to bottom. Then continue with bottom to top with a straight line. You get your letter N. Letter O. Start at the top. You draw a big circle and get letter O. Letter P. Draw a straight line down and add a small curve to the right at the middle of line. Finish by adding a big curve to the right. Start from end point of the first curve. You got letter P. Letter Q. Start like letter O but add a small tail at the bottom left and extending from the curve. You get letter Q. Wow, kids! You did a great job. Moving forward, letter R. Begin at the top left. Draw a straight line down. Add a small curve to the right at the middle of line. Finish it with a slanting line down to the right from the end point of the first line and you get letter R. Letter S. Start at the top, draw a curve to the right, then a curve to the left, like a wavy line. And you got letter S. Moving forward, letter T. Draw a straight line top to bottom and draw a horizontal line left to right on the top of the straight line. And you get letter T. Letter U. Start at the top, draw a straight line, make a small curve at the bottom and again make a straight line bottom to top. You get your letter U. Letter V. Begin at the top, draw a slanting line down to the right. Add another slanting line down to the left. You get letter V. Letter W. Start at the top, draw a slanting line down to the right, add another slanting line the top to the left, but not as steep as the first line. Continue by drawing a third slanting line down to the right and finish with fourth slanting line top to the left. And you got letter W. Letter X. Begin at the top left, draw a diagonal line down to the right. Add another diagonal line down to the left, crossing the first line in the middle. And you got letter X. Moving forward, your letter Y. Start at the top, draw a slanting line down to the right, add another slanting line down to the left. Finish by adding a straight line down from the middle of the two slanting line. And you got your letter Y. Wow! We are at the end. With letter Z. Begin at the top left, draw a horizontal line from left to right and add a diagonal line from top right to left bottom and straight from the right end of the first line. You got your letter Z. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.